In this video, I'll show you how to run in Roblox. Ensure you subscribe and turn on notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Right here on my Roblox, you can see I'm moving freely, I'm running freely, right? For you to be able to run on your Roblox, you're going to be using the W button on your keyboard. The W button allows you to gradually move your Roblox, right? So you're going to press on the W and it's going to be moving gradually. So this is basically how you can move, how you can run on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, ensure you share that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.